Hi, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro Plus and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works fast and correct. Just with the half of the second unlock the device successfully. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just want to suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.